In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this cool image split effect with the text in the middle in Canva in just a few minutes. And we're starting from a blank canvas. I'm using a Instagram story layout. Go to the Elements tab, and here we look for, let's try Aerial View Forest. See if we can find a nice view. Click on Photo, See All, and then choose any photo that you like. I'm going to use this one and drag it on the canvas. Next, we go to the Text tab, click on Title, and here you type in your word. In our case, it's going to be nature. Let's increase it in size and change the font to something handwritten. So here we can select handwriting, and then you can choose any font that you like. Ideally, you want something which has connected letters. So in our case, it's going to be apricot, and then return it just that bit to the side. So we meet one edge, and then everything is nicely connected towards the other edge. Now we go to the Draw tab, click on Brush, make it the same color as your font. In our case, this is white. And then we're going to increase the weight until we can see it nicely. And then we're going to drag around and fill the entire part. So I'm going to start with the top, and I'm just going to fill that entire area, draw over it. There we go. Almost have this part. And now I'm going to do the edges, so closer to the letters. You can also go in between, just like this. And then now we're going to select a finer brush. So we're going to weight options, reduce it in size, so we can do the final markings in between the letter. So the empty parts of the letter, the A, for example, this we're not going to color in, but the other ones we are going to. So the rest we're all going to color in. And one more here. Same with the E part, that we're not going to color in either. And like this, we have a good selection. Now we go to the Share tab, click on Download, PNG, and then click Download. We're going to click on New Page or Add Page, and then drag in the picture on your canvas. And this way we have the half of the picture already on the canvas. But you can see if I change this background color to something blue, for example, this is white. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the image, Background Remover, and this will remove the background from the picture. So we get this funny shape, and then we can increase it in size. Let me just change the background color to white again. There we go. And now we're going to look for the second part of the image. So in our case, it's going to be clouds. So let's go to Elements. Let's look for a nice sky. Maybe a combination. Here we can go for a blue sky or something more dramatic. And this one looks quite cool. So I'm going to click it and add it to the screen. Let's increase it in size. Go to Position and then drag it below the trees. Now here we can see we still have this funny shape. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the previous page, select the letter, Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V to paste it on this design. Now place it nicely on top of the cutout shape. And now you can adjust if you want. So if you want a different picture, let me just crop this part so we can easily select the background image, foreground image, as well as the text. Now if you want to change, for example like this, you can easily do that and change the background color. You can go for something more dramatic, or you can go for something spectacular. It really depends on the style that you want to create. I think in our case, a light background will do best. And now we can select the text, go to Effects, and then add a little lift. Maybe reduce the intensity just a bit. So we have that slight drop shadow on the behind the text. Now let's preview it on full screen. And this is how you can create this really cool text and image split effect in Canva in just a few minutes. And it really adds that little depth to your design. Thanks a lot for watching. And if you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to drop a follow and watch the video on the screen right now.